Order confirmation emails have some of the best open rates among all types of automated and promotional emails, with an average open rate of over 50%. And what a lot of e-commerce marketers miss is that with so many eyes on these messages, it's also a great opportunity to drive a little extra revenue. In fact, according to Omnisend's e-commerce statistics report for 2022, order confirmation emails also have the third highest conversion rates, right behind abandoned cart and welcome messages. So in this video, I'm going to share 4 tips with examples on how to make sure that your order confirmation emails are not only providing the best customer experience, but are also driving repeat purchases. Number 1, make it a celebration. What people love, especially going into 2022, is not a soulless, robot-generated transactional email, but a personalized, emotion-inducing message from fellow humans. So the first really simple thing you can do is say thank you and make it important, like in this example here. It's literally the centerpiece of the email. It makes the customer feel noticed and appreciated. The second tip is use personalization. If you're not asking your subscribers for their first names yet, I highly suggest you to start, because personalization is going to be a huge differentiator in 2022, and the more info you have, the better. But if you can get started with just the first names, that's great, because it immediately adds a pleasant personal touch. And finally, tip number 3 is to think outside the box and say something funny or emotional. Like in this order confirmation email from Fitbit. They don't just say your order is confirmed, here's all the info. They added just one line of text that immediately makes this email stand out. Your Fitbit order is confirmed, and we're just as excited as you are. And chances are, even if you're not excited, you are going to feel at least a slight positive emotion reading that. And if you are already excited, well, then you're just going to be even more excited. All of this will go a long way, because it's something that a lot of brands actually struggle with. What happens way too often is the customer experience is great up until the point when that order is placed, because then it's like, job's done, right? Wrong. If you want people to become loyal fans of your brand and come back to buy again, you have to make sure that the customer journey goes beyond just that first purchase. Number 2, set expectations. When it comes to spending money, people want to know exactly what's going on. Once the order ships, are they going to receive another email or an SMS message? If there's no link to track the delivery, is there going to be one in the next email? How long is it going to take to ship in the first place? Should I be worried if it hasn't shipped in 48 hours? That's why we need to set clear expectations to make sure that our customers have nothing to worry about. And that's why I love this email from Etsy. Your order is confirmed, and the merchant is going to start working on it right away. We will email you as soon as it ships. Here's the estimated delivery date, and here's a link to contact the seller if something goes wrong. Very clear expectations and instructions. I have nothing to worry about. Number 3, suggest other relevant products. This is the part where we talk about how to actually drive those extra sales. And of course, for that, we need to surface the right products inside of the email. Now, there's 2 ways to go about this. Number 1 is if your store is mostly focused around one or a few main products. So let's pretend like we're Apple here for a second. We have a few main product categories: iPhones, Mac computers and laptops, iPads, and so on. What we can do is we can set up a custom order confirmation email for each of those categories to make sure that we upsell people only on the most relevant add-ons and accessories for the exact products being purchased. So let's say that it's an iPhone. Then it makes total sense to suggest checking out MagSafe accessories and AirPods, which are perfect for your new iPhone. But what's important to understand here is that MagSafe accessories have 0 value for someone who just bought an iMac. So you have to think this through, and you cannot just promote products for the sake of promoting. You have to choose the ones that actually bring value as an add-on to the main product. And this is where having multiple different order confirmation emails comes into play. If they bought from category iPhones, we show them MagSafe accessories and AirPods. But if they order from category Macs, we show them Apple Magic Keyboard and Magic Mouse. The second way to go about this is if you have tens or hundreds of different products, of course it's not humanly possible to set up different order confirmation emails for each of them. And this is where personalized recommendations based on purchase history come into play. It is one of the types of automatically generated product recommendations you can find in Omnisend. You just put it on the personalized recommendation setting, and it's gonna do the rest for you. It suggests the most relevant products for each customer based on their unique purchase history. Now, of course, this is not going to be as accurate as setting up multiple different emails yourself, but with hundreds of products, this is as close as you can get. And finally, number 4, educate your customers on how to use your products. This great educational email example is not an order confirmation email, but if your store is focused around a narrow range of products, for example, all of your products are skincare products, like in this case, you could easily include a shorter version of this in your order confirmation. So basically, they're telling us that by washing our face, we eliminate gunk, we get to clear our skin from oils and other buildup, and then we have to make sure that we hydrate our skin. By doing this, they educate us on the benefits and basics of skincare. And equipped with this information, we are so much more likely to experience the full positive effects of their products. Thus, we're going to be more likely to leave a positive review and more likely to come back and buy more. And that's going to be it for this video. I really hope that it helps you step up your order confirmation game. And if you're interested in seeing how the personalized recommendations work for yourself, there's going to be a link below in the description to get started with Omnisend. It's completely free, so give it a go. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.